need to clean. Visitor here. Good morning. How are you, Booger?
Hi.
There you are. Your birthday's coming soon. Miss Len's gonna be 8.
I'm technically already 8.
Wait a minute.
Technically, you're still 7.
So Friday.
And then you'll be 8. It's not bad.
Trailer of sailoring.
Does it even matter? Let's do it.
Sailoring. Ain't got
Wow. Sorry about the yellow lighting. Gonna make some breakfast, saying hello to Mister. I'm sorry, but how cute. How cute are you, Mister? Don't worry.
We just got a doggy poop.
He just pooped, or I think he dropped his food.
He pooped.
Her name is just Bluey, or her name is just Bluey. Ended up getting this bird for her birthday. It's an early birthday present.
She just pooped, yeah.
Oh, I think she's just doing her thing then, I guess. All right.
This way.
This is a,
Cookie?
I don't know.
Cookie. No.
Quaker.
Cracker.
Quaker, right? Quaker? Hi.
Get out of your bed.
Hi.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, he's not so happy with the... He's still trying to get used to this, get her used to the red mitten, obviously, just to kind of help us
She's
not get
already
hurt.
used to the red mitten, but she's not used to like human skin.
Yeah, well she is, but she's still
But
trying to get used to
she's not
us.
used to biting your finger. Look what she did to me.
Yeah, this is the reason why we want to make sure. Let me see, London. Whatever.
It didn't bleed though.
It doesn't want to focus, but yeah. Finger, you see the blood and blue. Whoa. Hi.
He's biting your phone.
Hi. Oh, biting the little phone thing. You're adorable.
This way.
Get you in a better light, maybe.
Louis, this way.
Bluey's like, leave me alone, dude. Look, got the mouth ready. There you go. Bye, Bluey. Did the closet clean out? I don't know what to wear anymore. Going out somewhere and not knowing what to wear is the worst thing. Now I have this top. I think this is cute. I just don't know what to wear with pants. Definitely gonna be changing the glasses because I get bored so easily. I'm not sure if these look better, or maybe pop with the blue because the red line on the letters matches. Maybe these blue ones because it matches my shirt too and my crunch. Oh my gosh, they bother so much because it's so dirty. Gross. I want to try maybe like a very baggy pants look with a tighter shirt. Bit of an issue. I ended up changing the glasses and the top. I feel like I always go with this top. This is actually really old and from a haul that I ended up doing. It's a Fashion Nova one. It used to be a bodysuit and I actually cut it up into just to be a shirt. Pants are horrendous. I've never shared these before because I've never liked the way they look, but sometimes I like them. On this side, sit down. Beautiful though. Whoa. Looking like a ghost. Look at my outfit. My favorite Jason shirt. A little shopping. Had to do one of those pizzas. Looking for the strawberries. What? What you did yesterday was so good.
That one that you gave me, I was like,
With the cheese? Yeah. I know. It's the worst too when you're not. I need some cilantro? Yes. Oh, I guess. Am I gonna take 2? I guess so. Would you like some mushrooms? Seedless cucumbers. I know. With the cheese raviolis with some asparagus, some lettuce. Yes, definitely. And I'm for the sweets. Oh, these. Skip. I'm gonna be doing some bagels, definitely. I eat a lot of those. I want to probably get some sliced or French bread. Okay, I guess not. Okay, snacks. Definitely want some snacks. Oh, one second. I want one of these. I know, it's not an all the time thing, but I do like it. Because this one. This one is good. That went well. Yes. After the massacre, look at all of the massacre. I had to clean that up, but look at the beauty that came out of it. Got some tacos. Kids are tearing it up. Yeah, I am, baby. I'm sharing the dinner. Oh my gosh, destroyed. But look at that. You can still see the bananas. There's some chocolate strawberries. Chocolate covered strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. It's a good.
Look at this blueberry.
Delicious. I feel
Look
like
at
we
this
just
blueberry.
bought them. It's not that bad, right?
That's okay.
Cheers. Let me show yours. Tommy and Jonah always play this game named Rocket League, and honestly it is hilarious because I love to see their faces and reactions when they lose or they win, and together they're just honestly hilarious.
Yeah, you saw how clean that was.
What? You thought it was gonna be a fella. That's why.
Bobby just
You
scored.
thought. That's what you thought. You thought.
Alright, this is so good now. Because you won like one match against me, right? That's bad.
Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Get upside.
Behind you! Yeah, boy! Oh, you sure about that?
I'm not.
Oh, nothing! You're so good now. Look at your pants right now. You're not
So
even
what? I'm
close.
catching up. I'm catching up. Don't worry
You're
about it.
catching
Don't
up,
worry
but
about
you're
it.
not
Don't
close.
worry about it, Papa. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
I'm catching up, boy. Let's go. Shoot him a diamond, boy.
Wait till it's 7 points.
Ooh, what's up? You blew up? What happened? You blew up?
Bro, you have to do this. It's not even a goal. There's no credit for that. Who's talking crap now? You put in your own goal. In your own goal. Watch it. No, I'm not. Don't even skip it. Look it. Watch it.
who's talking what?
crap now? Look it.
He just said crap.
Put in your own goal. Shooting who again? Shooting who again? What? Best out of 3 now, and I just beat you both.
All right, but you want to beat me best out of 3 in the hockey. That's number 1. For number 2.
We just did.
No, that's you 7 to 6.
Wow.
You thought.
Yeah, you said best out of 3.
You thought.
You said best out of 3. Best out of 3 now, and I just beat you both.
All right, but you want to beat me best out of 3 in the hockey. That's number 1.
That's what I thought too. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay tuned for more, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.